So we started on the baling now. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. We had to delay quite a bit for the rain, and John's just driving around the first round. Doesn't always go to plan when you first start. We've had a couple of broken bales, but nothing too serious. And here's the first lot of bales. See what they're like. Oh, they're nice bales. They're solid, but they're not too solid. So not so easy on the headland because quite often they're damp and they can be quite heavy, but that's actually not too bad. Bit of dust coming out the back. So I think he's been around the headland once, and he's going to come back up here now. I'll try and get a closer look in a minute. So he's been around once, coming in again. There you go, you can see it picking up. When he gets 8 in there, that'll drop out. The last one coming down. And there we go. There's the 8. I just need to use my bale grab to move these now. So now I'm going to leave John to carry on baling. I've got to go and head that other field now and row it up. But I might pop back when it's all finished. There we go. I'll come back in about an hour and a half later and nearly finished this field. We had a few breakages, but we got quite a good crop, the good bales. And I'm going to actually stack a few up now. And my brother's going to come down later and put a few on the trailer. I'm not going to video that. I haven't actually got my tripod or anything with me. But basically they'll go on that trailer there. John's going to go on and bale the other field now. So that's a good day's baling done, and I'm very pleased to get this done because I thought the weather was going to be against us.